my name is Dr. Marina Milner-Balodin, and I'm a professor at the Department of Curriculum and Pedagogy here at the University of British Columbia. Today I would like to talk once again about Isaac Newton, energy, and the forces of friction. Friction, you all know what it is. If you rub your hands against each other, your palms, you immediately feel heat because the forces of friction between your palms can convert kinetic energy of motion into heat, which you feel your hands become very hot. But can this phenomenon be reversed? Can energy convert into motion, or how can it work? Luckily, I have a toy here, and this toy came as a gift from Poland. And this toy is a woodpecker. And if you look carefully, the woodpecker here has a tiny spring. So the spring here, I hope you can see, that's how it pecks the wood. Now the woodpecker here, the spring, is actually the source of potential energy. But something is very interesting going to happen when we let the woodpecker go. And you will see why I started my discussion with the energy and forces of friction. Let's look carefully how the woodpecker descends if I let it go. But before doing that, the woodpecker is not even moving now. Why does it happen? As we discussed before, because there is a force of friction, static friction between the two pieces of wood, and it holds the woodpecker in place. So the force of friction is applied up, the gravitational force is down, they equal. Newton's second law, the net force is zero, the acceleration is zero. It is not going to start moving. But now I'm going to help it a little bit like this. Isn't it surprising how it moved? It did not move smoothly. If you notice, it just got stuck all the time. Because at every point you have the play between the forces of static and kinetic friction. And as soon as the force of static friction is enough to keep it, it's not going to move. But then the potential energy stored in the spring begins to play a role, and it gives enough energy to overcome this force of static friction and begin moving. And it's really cool to hear how the potential energy is converted also into sound. So it's a really nice toy and a great gift from Poland.